Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the best Rubbermaid commercial webfoot microfiber tube mop, the perfect tool for anyone in need of an efficient and reliable floor cleaning solution. This 20-ounce medium-sized microfiber tube mop from Rubbermaid is specifically designed for heavy-duty, general-purpose floor cleaning. It features a high-quality construction that includes a blend of continuous filament microfiber and polyester, ensuring superior absorbency and excellent release characteristics. Whether you're cleaning vinyl tile, laminate, terrazzo, or hardwood floors, this mop performs exceptionally well across a variety of surfaces. Its design helps reduce drag, which significantly boosts productivity, allowing you to cover more ground with less effort. The unique tube mop design minimizes the wear and tear that often occurs with traditional mops. It comes with looped ends that reduce fraying and unraveling, ensuring a longer-lasting mop that performs consistently. The PVC-coated mesh headband is another standout feature, preventing moisture retention and contributing to the mop's durability over time. With up to 200 commercial launderings, this mop offers impressive launderability, even in bleach-safe conditions, and can withstand hot or cold water washes without losing effectiveness. For those who rely on mopping day in and day out, this mop provides an efficient solution. The double-stitched tail band ensures durability and eliminates streaking, which is a common problem with inferior mops. And because of its 5-inch headband, it's compatible with Rubbermaid's gripper wet mop handles, making it even more convenient for professional use. This mop is ideal for cleaning in professional environments such as schools, hospitals, offices, and industrial spaces. Its versatility makes it suitable for different types of floors, whether they're smooth or textured. The ergonomic design helps minimize strain during extended cleaning sessions, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. At just $19.36, this Rubbermaid webfoot mop provides great value considering its high-quality materials, durability, and cleaning power. If you're in the market for a mop that combines efficiency, durability, and cost-effectiveness, this one certainly fits the bill. So, if you're looking for a commercial-grade mop that won't disappoint, the Rubbermaid commercial webfoot medium microfiber tube mop is a fantastic choice. It's a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable cleaning tool that gets the job done quickly and effectively. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more product breakdowns like this. See you next time.